Hey, tubers, 2012 Dodge Durango that I just looked at, and this is a comeback on this follow-up for my first video. The problem there is no communications with the computer. Okay, everything else is communicating. So I went under hood, and here's what we have. We have a blown fuse. I put a little setup instead of a blown fuse, like 2 wires with a blown fuse right there. And I'm looking at a straight up short. The short comes from one wire here. Boom. All right, a red wire. This is a battery feed to the computer. That's why the other modules show the problem. Okay, this is the short. I'm gonna put it back in. Oh, the light goes on. All right, computer needs to be replaced.